Insayo butaniribwa chocho wa shauri bwatana ba Optiven igorit kulia lero basire gosalia golf ime yomochie o Kisii asabanya ka bakomerana na kurwa ogosegeta agochiesa abananchi kugura chindemero munenjira ya monyo kugendera gwesira ukwana chinga kiechyo nigabatana yabo bagokera getambo keregyo na komenta buna ekionge chikoba omochakano moya obwo kwegendereria namono ase sector ye chindemero.
Get yourself a piece of land. I don't even want.
My name is Dr. George Washuri, and we are extremely excited. We are happy to be here in the Kisii, and we have partnered with the Kisii Golf. We were sponsoring an event here to make sure that people are coming together, they are socializing, they are networking, and Optiven has been supporting various communities, various clubs in golf, and we are here to encourage people to keep investing, especially in real estate. Optiven is a company that has been there for the last 26 years. We buy big piece of land, we do the infrastructure, we do the roads, we do the water, we do solar street lighting, we are a green company. And of course, not only selling properties, we also do a lot of charity work. We have Optiven Foundation, which is supporting over 700 students across 47 counties. We have programs for wheelchairs, we have a program for older people, we are building homes for the elderly. Here in Kisii, we have a program for charity, and Optiven is about transforming communities.
My name is Adrian Monari, Captain, Kisii Sports Club, Golf Captain. And first of all, I want to say thank you to Optiven for again coming back to support golf in Kisii. Last year they supported our ladies medal, and this year they're back supporting us. Optiven, as you've heard, Optiven wanasaidia kila mtu. Whatever you need in terms kwa mashamba, Optiven is there for you. I'm very happy and I'm very proud with Optiven, what they have done na support wamepeana kwa Kisii Sports Club. Kama leo kiwanja ilikuwa safi na bado tunaendelea kuongea nao na bado watarudi. I hope so.
Ene event ya kabere Optiven ya entrega ya Kisii Sports Club mwako lio era nja sponsorete abaswati baitu bali bagwa kumupiro yo golf bakarobero muya nande banyole ntubwate support nyinge toko baba gusiba itu bagurire bintu byabo buya nande bagacha bono ba sponsor abantu bonse pia bamura baiseke abagaka abasaye abana bake igo toko basabana nande bajekero mwaka bagendere go support nande ba promise yesio no etene negaiga o promise na baga 40 bintu binde biria bigo kinia chitare ndi chia basaye nyono mupira bwa maguru
na